Hey guys, it's Soraya here, kicking off spooky season with a series of bone-chilling stories that are enough to give any homeowner the creeps. Our first story begins way before Kalos services even existed. We're talking 20-something years ago. Jeez, that's older than me. Back then, waking up a technician with a phone call meant you were calling his landline. What's a landline? Well, anyway, it's 2 a.m. because all scary stories and annoying homeowner problems begin in the middle of the night when you should be sleeping. A customer hears a weird creaky noise and gets up to make sure there's no funny business happening within their home when they spot it. A giant hole in the ceiling. There's debris everywhere and it's a complete mess. It turns out a technician was there the day prior, servicing the home's HVAC unit that is in the attic. A typical evaporator coil replacement, and the unit was supposed to be good to go. Clearly, that wasn't the case since, well, the ceiling had not fully collapsed, but there was a large portion of the primary bedroom closet ceiling missing. Even worse was all the dripping onto the expensive suits, ties, and shoes. That is a nightmare. The homeowner stared up at the ceiling, mumbling to himself about all the possibilities of what could have gone wrong and how on earth he was going to get it fixed in the middle of the night. Luckily, emergency visits were a thing even 20 years ago. And a technician did arrive to help to diagnose the problem. With the customer following closely behind the professional, they discovered the nightmare that had occurred. The drain line wasn't strapped properly. It created a new sag in the line, resulting in what's called a double trap. The dreaded double trap monster.
Oh, he's kind of cute, isn't he?
Yes, but he's bad. He's bad. The pesky double trap monster allows water to collect in two places, trapping a pocket of air between them. The air gap acts like a dam, preventing any water from draining. The trapped water then has nowhere to go but back up and overflow from the pan under the evaporator coil. Just when the homeowner thought all their problems were solved, the technician added insult to injury when he saw that the pan switch hadn't been moved and never reinstalled. The pan switch is a failsafe device that turns the unit off when the pan fills with water. Without it, the unit couldn't stop running, allowing the pan to overflow and the water to cause even more destruction. Ugh. All those suits and ties. As the homeowner soon learned, here in Florida, with our high dew points, AC units sweat a lot. Choosing the proper HVAC company to work with is a big deal in preventing these horrors from making their way inside your home, since it's the technician's responsibility to keep all that moisture contained. If they don't, you can be the next victim of the dreaded double trap monster, and nobody wants that. That's why, here at Kalos, we pay close attention to things like the drain's pitch, where the float switch is located, and we recommend regular drain cleanings to ensure that that monster never rears its ugly head again. So, remember, service your units properly, and even better, sign up for our maintenance plan and trust that your home is in good hands.